ULRIKA Jonsson has revealed she's nearing the point of getting a hip replacement as she struggles with arthritis. The 54-year-old, who was diagnosed with the debilitating condition in both hips 4 years ago, opened up about the agonizing pain she is often in as she fears her body is falling apart. 2. ULRIKA fears her body is falling apart. Credit, the mega agency. 2. The star has arthritis in both hips. Speaking about her struggles, ULRIKA told the MailOnline, "When I'm in bed, of course if you do fall asleep you're probably lying in a pretty stationary position, and sometimes I struggle to get that first movement out of my body. Nobody likes to lose sleep, it's so debilitating. I go through periods of time when it's pretty horrendous." Looking to the future and the possibility of a hip replacement, the mom of 4 continued, "I've got a couple of friends who have had hip replacements and they're a bit older than me, and I just thought that's not really something I want to be contemplating already. It definitely was one of those things where you go, it's a slippery slope to old age. For me it was a bit of fear and panic because you just think it's not really something you can halt. This is a sign that my body is falling apart." ULRIKA has turned to zero-gravity Pilates to try and help ease the pain. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.